Hey everyone, and finally get rid of those endless Facebook reels so you can get back to seeing what your friends are actually posting.
All right, let's be real for a second. You open up Facebook, right? You're hoping to see some family photos, maybe a fun update from a friend, but instead, you're just stuck scrolling through a never-ending stream of videos from people you don't even know. It's not just you, I promise. Facebook is in this huge battle with platforms like TikTok for your eyeballs. And guess what? Your feed has become the battlefield.
But here's the good news. You can absolutely take back control and declutter your feed. And you know what the best part is? The solution is already built right into the Facebook app. It's just kind of buried. But don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly where to find it.
Okay, you ready? Let's get started. First things first, we've got to unlock those settings. All right, go ahead and grab your phone. You can actually do this with me right now. First, just open up your Facebook app. Now, from your main page, look for that three-dot menu icon. Some people call it the hamburger menu. It's usually in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap that. From there, you should see a little gear icon for settings, probably right up near the top. Tap it, and you're in.
Okay, so we're in the main settings menu. Now for the fun part, the actual step-by-step fix to find that one little toggle we need to flip.
Okay, hang on. Before we click anything else, I just need to quickly explain what the tab bar is, because you're going to see that word in a second. It's just that main menu at the very bottom of your screen, you know? With the little icons for home, friends, all that stuff. Got it? Cool. All right, so back in that settings list, just scroll down a little bit. You're looking for an option called Tab Bar. Give that a tap, and once you're in that new menu, you'll see another option right at the top that says Customize the Bar. That's where we're headed next.
And this screen right here, this is where the magic happens. You see, by default, Facebook has Reels set to auto. That's basically Facebook's way of saying, hey, we're going to put this tab wherever we think you'll click on it most. But we're about to change that. We're going to switch it right over to Hide. This is the move that puts you back in charge. So in that Customize menu, you'll see a whole list of things. Just find Reels. And yep, just like our source material from SkyTech Studios said, it's going to be set to auto. All you have to do is tap where it says auto, and when the options pop up, you just select Hide. You'll see it drop down into a hidden section. That's literally it. Okay, we are so close. But listen, there is one last step, and it is absolutely crucial. Seriously, don't skip this part, or the whole thing won't work. This is the one step that pretty much everyone misses, but it's what actually makes the change stick. Okay, here it is. You have to completely, and I mean completely, force close the Facebook app. And I'm not just talking about tapping your home button. You need to actually swipe it up and away from your recent apps list so it's fully shut down. Once you've done that, go ahead and reopen it. That's what forces the app to reload with your new settings. And that's it. You did it. The next time you open the app, that Reels tab should be totally gone. Your feed is yours again, back under your rules, just the way it should be.